Hey guys, I'm Chaz, and thanks for tuning in to the 14th episode of Cooking with Chaz. Today we're going to make vegetable pasta salad. It's really quick, colorful, and I really think you'll enjoy it. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you the ingredients. We'll need some broccoli, onions, tomatoes, capers, bell pepper, lime juice, a little bit of oregano, some garlic, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and I also have an olive oil vinaigrette with Parmesan pesto, and also the pasta. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is turn your eye on to like a medium high. I put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in there, and what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the crunch out of some of the veggies. We don't want to cook these limp, but just taking some of the bite out. The stalks, I cut them up about like that. And I like to get those in there first because of course they're the toughest. And people always want to look over the stalks. We got the broccoli in, the broccoli stalks, and we're going to cook that for a minute. And what I did is I dropped my heat down because I just wanted my pan to get really hot. Now we'll add the garlic because we have about 30 seconds left on these, on the stalks. Remember, garlic will burn really quickly, so we got to move fast. And what I'm doing is I'm tossing the stalks in the garlic. All right, and now go ahead and drop your heat completely down to a low. And I'm going to add my bell peppers, all of them. And we are going to add our broccoli. I'm removing this from the heat. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And all I'm doing is tossing the vegetables. Doesn't that look great? It's so colorful. So that whole process took, what, 2 minutes? I'm going to take half of a lime and squeeze over top of that and toss that immediately so everything can get some of that some of the lime juice. And now we're going to remove that from the pan. Okay, so we got the veggies out, as I said, and they look great and they're still completely firm. I chose to use egg noodles today instead of just a pasta. Something that will hold all these flavors. So immediately what I'm going to do is I put my veggies right in. Next, I'm going to add my red onions, which I slice those really, really thin. That's the trick here, because I know a lot of times you run into people that don't like onions, but they don't know how good red onions are in a salad. Add my tomatoes. Add those capers. And if you've never tried capers before, please take a bite of them before you add them, because you might think the amount that I'm using is too much for your preference. Now I'm going to season, salt and pepper. All right. This is so easy. It's going to taste so great. You could also add, one thing I wanted to mention, are black olives. The only reason I'm not adding them is because my sweetheart, he really doesn't like them. So I try to make everybody happy. So I'm going to add that vinaigrette. And I always just start with a little bit and mix it up. Got one overboard. I'll take care of that. And the noodles or pasta that you decide, make sure you choose the lowest cooking time, because the worst thing I think for a pasta salad is to have mushy pasta, noodles, whatever you choose. All right, that looks pretty well coated. Now, since we're certain that everything has cooled down, what I'm going to do is add a little cheese. At this stage, you can add whatever cheese you like. For me, I am a cheddar lover, but Parmesan cheese will be really good on this. Even bits of feta would be good in here. So I'm going to plate this up and wrap up the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so we are done making the vegetable pasta salad. I hope you guys liked the video. It is really that easy to make delicious dishes. I'm going to show you the finished product. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share the video. See you guys next time.